Now at this step, I've got to use our decision tool because the user has two choices. It can be an expense or it can be an expense of an advance payment. So there will be a decision for that, and I will use my formula. If the type of expense is equals to, let's say, expense between double quotes, then, so let's write the description here. Type of expense equals to expense, then it will go from here. I'll let the button text be submit. Let the background color will be purple like this. So if the type of expense is just an expense, not an advance payment expense, then I want to display a task form to the requester.